Your teacher quoted the Holy Quran and quoted the wisdom of Prophet Solomon, and there is no wonder that the words of Quran and the words of Solomon are going in the same direction, because both books are the word of God. Both books are the words of one God. So that's exactly the direction that we have to go, in the direction of your teacher, to find the word of God in Turkish, in Arabic, in English, in Hebrew, in every language, in this book, in all the books of God, all the books that God have given us in order to guide us to the right direction, which is, of course, the way to Him, to Himself, His name. Again and again, I remember that in Arabic and in Hebrew, the very name of God is Salam, or Shalom. And he who works for God, he works for Shalom.